Teen pregnancy poses health risks for teen mothers and their babies and adversely impacts their families and society. In the US, 10% of females between the ages 15 and 19 conceive every year. These pregnancies are mostly unplanned and occur outside marriage. However, since 1991, the teen pregnancy rate has fallen by 25%. Teen pregnancies are a global problem. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, they usually occur in poor communities lacking education and employment. They are also an outcome of child marriage, limited knowledge of contraception, inability to get contraceptives, and sexual violence. Watch till the end to know about the ways of teen pregnancy prevention. Nine ways to prevent teen pregnancy. Educate about sexuality. Teenagers may lack sexual education and be unaware of preventing unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted diseases, STDs. They may also indulge in unprotected sexual activity due to peer pressure. How to help? Provide sex education to adolescents. Support youth development programs among adolescents to talk openly about their feelings and experiences related to sexuality. Educate them on topics such as HIV, STDs, and contraception. Bring families and communities together to address topics on sexuality without any socio-cultural resistance. Talk about the health risks of unprotected sex and teenage pregnancies. Increase the use of contraceptives. According to WHO studies conducted in China, India, Kenya, Thailand, and other countries adopting effective contraceptive methods, condoms, hormonal and emergency contraceptives, can help prevent teenage pregnancies. However, most adolescents are either unable to buy contraceptives or are unaware of the ways to use them. Spread awareness in the field of effective contraceptive usage. Shed social stigma and educate youth on contraception. The American Academy of Family Physicians, the American Academy of Pediatrics, and the American Medical Association suggest physicians and healthcare providers offer guidance about contraceptives and sexual behavior. Prevent early marriage. Around 14% of girls in developing countries such as Afghanistan, India, Kenya, and Nepal are married before 15. Early marriage leads to early pregnancy and poor reproductive health. Girls who are married early also face poverty and undereducation affecting their families' futures. How to help? Send girls to school so they are less likely to get married early. Education helps them take care of their families in a better way and positively impact society. Encourage teenagers to focus on their career goals and stay away from distractions. Monitor the influence of media. In the US, 1 in 3 television programs emphasizes sexual behavior. Research shows that watching television programs depicting sexual behavior causes teens to indulge in non-marital sexual activity from an early age. How to help? Monitor the type of content children watch, read, or listen. Discuss what they are learning from these programs. In developed countries, including France, the Netherlands, and Germany, teenage pregnancies are much lower than in the US because they promote low-risk sexual activities through national media campaigns. Counsel male adolescents. Male teenagers experience sexual activity before female teenagers, and they tend to have more partners, yet they exhibit fewer reproductive concerns. Most health clinics and adolescent pregnancy prevention programs focus on girls rather than boys. How to help? Teen pregnancy can be effectively addressed when educational programs focus on boys and girls. Inform male adolescents about sexual health, risky behaviors, and STIs. Encourage adolescent boys to use condoms to prevent pregnancies and diseases. Educate them about other methods of contraception and postcoital contraception. Help teenage boys understand their responsibilities as a partner. Provide career counseling. Many girls marry early because of their poor economic conditions. Therefore, programs that focus on career counseling can encourage them to study and support their families rather than marry early. How to help? Counsel girls from weaker financial backgrounds about educational and employment opportunities. In India, close to Delhi, recruiters held 3 annual sessions for young women in 80 villages and informed them about employment opportunities and strategies for applying for jobs. These sessions helped 76 to 81% of women enroll for a diploma and delay marriage and pregnancy. Abstinence education. Abstinence is the choice to not indulge in sexual intercourse to help prevent pregnancies. Most teenagers decide to delay having sex until they are older. This is a responsible decision, and youth must adhere to it without being influenced by peer pressure. How to help? Encourage youth to stay away from drug and alcohol abuse. Help teens choose friends and partners who respect their decision of abstinence. The Michigan Abstinence Program aims to improve teen health by abstaining from sexual activity or other risky behaviors such as using drugs, alcohol, or tobacco. Insurance for contraception. Teenagers may not choose contraceptive methods because they cannot afford them. Most private insurance plans do not offer coverage for contraception. How to help? Contraception should be easily accessible to teenagers. Teen pregnancy rates are relatively lower in the Netherlands, Germany, and France, where contraceptive pills and devices are covered under insurance. Promote gender equality. Gender ideologies influence how young men and women behave and decide about contraception. According to social beliefs, young women are often discouraged from being open about any sexual activity. However, young men are encouraged to do the opposite. The same ideologies come forward when it comes to the use of contraception. These gender gaps often suppress women's desires and views, leading to increased teenage pregnancies. How to help? Change the social norms that create a difference between genders. Promote gender equality to encourage a rise in contraceptive usage. Empower women to voice their opinions. In this video, we discussed about 9 practical ways to prevent teenage pregnancy. If you got this video helpful, please give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more important videos like this. Thanks for watching.